to, but I think my truck is still asleep. It feels funny.
Oh, well, I know what'll wake up your trunk. A ride on the bubble train.
Bubble train.
Yeah. We can ride until Tilly wakes up.
Oh, great idea, Kip.
Thanks. I'm full of them. Let's go.
Choo, 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 choo. Bye-bye, Tilly. Haboo.
Woo-hoo! It's time for a ride.
Feeling happy inside.
We're moving on.
Sing with the bubbles, it's a bubble train song.
Woo-hoo! Places to go.
Go fast.
Or slow.
We're moving on. Sing with the bubbles, it's a bubble train song. It's great to travel in time and space,
Bopping and singing.
from place to place. We're moving on. Sing with the bubbles, it's a bubble train song.
I'm up front.
Me caboose. Let's pop the bubbles.
The bubbles are loose.
We're moving on. Sing with the bubbles, it's a bubble train song. Sing with the bubbles, it's a bubble train song.
Oh, good morning, Tilly.
Hi. Oh, excuse me.
You okay, Bill Bill?
I don't know. My truck is all stuffy.
Don't be scared, Tilly. It's just a little sneeze.
Hey, Bailey, I think you're, sick. You okay, Bill Bill?
Oh, maybe I am sick.
Bailey is sick. We need to take care of him. And everyone should wash their hands so they don't get sick too.
We will take care of you, Bailey, so you can feel better really soon. Oh, clickety clock. What time is it, big kids?
Time to eat.
Ah, yay.
Hey, but first, let's wash our hands.
Oh, good idea, Kip.
Thanks. I'm full of them.
Come on, Tilly. Let's wash our hands.
Yeah.
Oh,
You okay, Bill Bill?
I don't feel like eating.
But applesauce is your favorite.
Yeah, I know. I'm just not hungry.
What's it, toy? Come on. What's it, toy? Always has what we need when we need it. Catch him.
Oh, sorry, what's it?
What's that?
It's medicine for Bailey. Medicine helps you get better when you're sick.
Oh, but this medicine smells icky. Do I have to take it?
It's important to take your medicine so you can feel better.
Well, I do want to feel better.
We want you to feel better, too.
Tastes like grapes.
Now you feel better, too.
Thanks, what's it?
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bailey is getting a sticker for taking his medicine.
A gold star for my chart. Ooh, thanks, Stickity Bot.
Now that Bailey has taken his medicine, he needs to rest.
Oh, Good. That's the easy part. I love to rest.
Rest now, Bailey.
Thanks, Franny.
Snarly will rest with you.
Oh, thank you, Lulu.
Oh, I know what'll help you rest. A joke.
Oh,
Let me think of one. Oh, I got it. Okay. What do you call a dinosaur that's asleep?
I don't know.
I don't know, Kip.
A dino snore. Get it?
I get it. Funny joke, Kip.
Yep. I'm full of them.
Oh, thank you, Tilly. I love my heart pillow. What's wrong, Tilly? Could I have my pillow, please? Oh, I think my sneezes are scaring Tilly.
Oh, it's okay. Bailey is just sick.
Babies, Tilly doesn't understand the words you're using.
Word Wally? Word Wally!
Oh, well, I don't think that's going to... Oh, it worked!
Oh, you should stay in bed, Bailey, since you feel sick.
Oh, okay.
But you come, big kids. We need you.
The babies are here to learn words in 2 languages, English and Mandarin.
You help too, big kids. Oh, that's what Bailey's doing. It's called a sneeze.
And in Mandarin you say,
打喷嚏. That's right, Tilly. 打喷嚏 means sneeze. Uh-oh, that's like Bell Bell. What's that word, big kids? Sick.
and in Mandarin,
生病. Yes, 生病 means sick in Mandarin. And sometimes when you're sick, you sneeze.
Oh, that's what Bailey took. What is it, big kids?
Medicine.
and in Mandarin,
Yao. Yao means medicine, to help you feel better.
Oh, look. Now she's not sick. What's the word for that, big kids?
Healthy.
and in Mandarin,
健康. 健康 means healthy.
Bailey, you're back.
Hi. The medicine's working. I feel better. See?
That's great, Bailey. Do you feel good enough for a word party?
Yes, I do.
Hey, have you heard? It's a word party.
Word party.
Learn new words for a word party. Spin while you spout them. Feel good about them. We love words and it's your turn to shout them.
Medicine.
Yao.
Sneeze.
打喷嚏.
Sick.
生病.
Healthy.
健康.
Hey, have you heard? It's a word party.
Word party.
Learn new words for a word party.
Word party.
Hey, have you heard? It's a word party.
Word party.
Learn new words for a word party.
Word party. Oh, balloon.
Night, night, baby bear. Come on, Grappy.
Oh. Excuse me.
打喷嚏.
Oh, that's right, Tilly. Sneeze.
I'm glad you're feeling better, Bailey, but I don't think you're all the way healthy yet.
Well, I do still feel tired and sniffly. Oh.
Clickety Clock is right, Bailey. It's time for you to take a nap so you can rest and get healthy.
Night-night, Bell Bell. Feel better.
Thank you for taking such good care of me.
Oh, we'll always take care of you, Bailey.
Oh, thank you, Tilly.
健康.
Yeah. I'll be healthy soon. Oh.